こんにちは、コービーです。洗濯の後の匂いっていいですよね。So hello, this is Kobe from Tokyo, Japan, and broadcasting also from Tokyo. So today I'm introducing you laundry system in Japan, and it is kind of common that I don't see so often in other countries, so I will introduce you as a new information. So in Japan, there's a laundry in set places, and we share these dryers or washers together, and we paid around 100 yen per 8 minutes, and people who don't have laundry comes to this place and do washing clothes and stuff. We call it coin laundry. So coin is representing the money itself. Since 100 yen or 10 yen or 500 yen, those are the coins. And within the coins, you can use this machine. Same for the dryer as well. There are a machine for shoes also, so you can wash the shoes within this price. So 100 yen per 20 minutes, and you'll be able to wash your shoes. How you use it is you put the coin inside this hole. If you want to use this machine, for example, you paid 800 yen inside this hole, and then you'll be able to use this machine. This machine seems to be able to move for 30 minutes, and 20 kilos are available, so the price is a bit expensive. 800 yen is around 8 US dollars, so imagine 30 minutes, 20 kilo for $8. Is it expensive or cheap? It depends on your mind or your culture. That's actually it from me. So please give me a like if you didn't know this system. And please subscribe my channel if you are interested in Japan. See ya. またね